Today we're installing a new tinted windscreen on my Yamaha R3. First you're going to take off these plastic screws that attach the fairing to the old windscreen. Then remove the mirrors by removing the caps to uncover an Allen screw and screw those off. Gently wiggle off the old windscreen off the bike. Just be careful not to break any tabs on both the fairings and the old windscreen. The quality of the new tinted windscreen seems to be the same as the original. Same thickness, shapes, and holes to install. Just a comparison of how much light goes through the old clear windscreen and how much light goes through the new tinted windscreen. So basically go in reverse by gently aligning the holes and sliding in the tabs from the windscreen into the fairings. Once you've done that, screw in the plastic screws into the windscreen, into the fairings. Then reinstall the mirrors. Then go out and ride. If you're digging a look at this new tinted windscreen, click the link in the description below to buy one.